How to delete your WorldRemit account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can delete your WorldRemit account, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to delete your WorldRemit account, all you have to do is just go to worldremit.com and then make sure that you're signed into the correct account that you want to delete. Then after that, what you need to do is you will not be able to delete your account from settings like you have the permissions and other platforms. On WorldRemit, how it works is that you have to contact the customer care to directly delete your account. Now to do this, first of all, just click the help option that you see from the top of the navigation menu here. Once you click the help option, you're basically going to be taken to the help page. On the right hand side, you can see how can we help you. Under it, you'll find a little button also that says managing my account. As you can find here, you want to make sure to just click the managing my account option. Once you go to the option called managing my account, then it is going to load up on the next web page over here. As you will be able to see, under managing my account, you have different type of information. Under this list of topics, you have to look for a topic called how do I close my WorldRemit account. As you can see at the fourth last option, I have this option labeled as close my WorldRemit account. You want to make sure to click on the article, and then here you can see how do I close my WorldRemit account. Well, to disable your WorldRemit account, please contact us. So just click on the contact us link, as you can find it over here. Once you click on the contact list option over here, you'll be taken to this page to get in touch with them. Now there's also some things that you can do, such as processing cancellation and refunds, personal information, or verifying identity. But to basically go ahead and then actually contact them, you should be able to go ahead and see all of those contact details right over here. You can see for different regions, for different part of the countries, depending upon where you live. You just want to make sure to call that specific customer service number, and for the rest of the world you have this. Then once you've done that, let them know that you'd like to delete your WorldRemit account, and then you should be good to go. This way you can delete your WorldRemit account. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.